Hello, welcome to this video of the Seat Leon. This is the 1.6 SE TDI 2014 registered. I think it's late registered, so I think it's November 2014. Very good condition, lady owned for the last few years, maintained regardless of cost. A very good example. Start on the bodywork. Let's start on this corner here. All the lights are nice and clean. No scratches to the paintwork anywhere. Inside the fuel cap, it's all nice and clean. Still got the rubber wire string attached as well. Very clean. It's just had a full machine polish, this vehicle as well. So the vehicle has had a full machine polish. All the paintwork is smooth. It's also had 4 brand new brake disc and pads, just been fitted by ourselves because that was an advisory on the MOT. So we've had the, see there, the Mintex branded brake disc and pads all round. All the tyres are like brand new on this one. Yokohama branded ones on the rear. See the alloy wheels are in good condition. All the glass is immaculate as well. There's no scratches on the glass. On the A-pillars there as well, the black's nice and shiny. There's no fingerprints or makeup. A lot of these, I find a lot of cars, especially on that pillar there, a lot of lady owners have a lot of makeup on the fingers, so it just sticks to their teeth. It's not very nice. There's none of that going on. Driver's door, immaculate. Look, no dents at all, no scratches. Back of that wing mirror, immaculate. That front wing, immaculate. Alloy wheel, very tidy. Brand new brake disc on the front, Mintex branded, and we've got Toyo tyre on the front, the Toyo Proxies. So all branded tyres. No scuffs on the bumpers. Bonnet once again immaculate, no stone chipping to the front. Windscreen very clean as well. It does look like this is a replacement one. You see there, it's not a Seat VW or VAG windscreen. That's an AGC Automotive. So that's probably been replaced at some time in its life. That's why it's in good condition. It was previously sold by Evans Wholesale, and it's got a quality assured sticker on that as well. Bosch windscreen wipers. So that's good to know. Got the chassis number there if you want to freeze the video and check the chassis number of the vehicle. That wing mirror immaculate once again. And that door absolutely immaculate as well. Like I say, it's been fully machine polished and clay barred as well, so there's no tar spots on the bottom of the doors at all. And every panel looks the same shade of grey as well, so there's nothing that's really like jumps out at you and says it's been painted a different colour shade, should we say. That's the alloy there. So again, the Mintex pads, the Yokohama tyres on the back. Like I say, all light new tyres as well. 100 photos on our website, advert and Auto Trader. If you're looking through eBay Motors, unfortunately they only show 20 photos, which is absolutely pants. Like I say, if we could, we'd upload 200 or even 300 photos. That's how serious we are about selling cars. All very clean in here. It's the tyre inflation kit. Oh, someone's left their valeting brush there. Get that out, that's John. Right, so tyre inflation kit there. A spare litre of oil and an ice scraper as well. That's all the details of the vehicle, the chassis number, the paint codes, the engine code, it's all there. Oh, that's nice and clean. That area there is nice and clean. No scratches on top of the bumper. Right, let's go to the passenger side front. So that works. That's working condition. No snapped wires or cables, should we say. Back of that seat, very clean. Down the floor there, very clean. And the seats, 3 headrests, 3 seat belts, 2 Isofix anchoring points for 2 child seats. Doesn't smell of smoke, doesn't smell of dogs. Electric windows in working condition. That's electric window, that one's going up and down. You can see that one up and down. Mirrors as well. Yep, they're working. That one's working. Yep, that one's working as well. It's a light switch, the foot pedals. That's sill. The door shut. Driver's seat. So DAB radio as well with this one. So you've got reverse parking sensors. No reverse parking sensors, but it has got the DAB radio. Has it got a nav? Yes, we've got nav. We've got nav, and we've got a good media package as well, this one. So we've got the Bluetooth audio, we've also got the Bluetooth in here, which is a USB input port, and we've got another lead here which goes to the iPhone. Okay, air conditioning, it works as well. We've had that on, it's ice cold, so air conditioning works. 5-speed version this. That's the little coin tray there. All this area is nice and clean. Down here, leather gaiter for the handbrake, armrest as well with storage, a 12 volt down there, that's where his 12 volt is. We've also got cruise control, because this is the SE, it's got the cruise control as well on the stalk there. Steering wheel controls there for the volume, track up and down and voice command, and you've got the flat bottom steering wheel as well. Distance today, 262 miles to empty. That's really good on fuel. And then let's have a look at the mile. Oh, it's there, 90. There we go. There we go. Look, 97,721. That's the mileage today. 2 keys as well. 2 remote central locking alarm keys. They both work as well. Service history. Full service history. This is more important, which I think I've taken a photo of that. So at 67,000 miles, 2021, replaced timing belt including water pump. So these, in the booklet, it says replace every 5 to 7 years or 140,000 mile intervals. So whichever comes first. So these cars are actually designed to do some serious mileage. Like I say, VW, Audi who build these cars, 140,000 miles is a lot, but that's what they say that, well, the cam belt will last to. Up to 7 years maximum. Last serviced, oh wait a minute, sorry, that's not that one. So it's there, look, that's the place what did it. So that's the VW Skoda Specialist Audi, yeah. And then we've got the last service, date 2023. Oh, have they got that wrong? You know what, I think they've got that wrong date. Oh, it's last year, sorry. That's it, so it says 2023 serviced, and we've just serviced it as well. We've just had it serviced, and there we go, that's it, we've serviced it there, it's just been serviced. 2024, 97244, Formula 1 Auto Centres, they've serviced it. So it's just had the new MOT by them, and then obviously we got this vehicle in as part exchange, and we noticed the MOT advisories, which were the 4 brake disc and pads were worn, and then a shock absorber had got slight misted of oil, so we've all had that replaced. I've got all the service invoices from before, some from the Seat main dealer, etc. Okay, now this vehicle did have a private plate on this, so we are waiting for the logbook at the time of this video, so I've got no logbook to show you here because it had a private plate on it. Yeah, so we're waiting for that to come through. We've got the locking wheel bolt there as well, the sat nav card as well, which goes up there. Airbag on and off as well. You can have the airbag on and off at the side there, so you can have the child seat in the front if you wish. Put that back there. Air conditioning, that's there, ice cold, so that works as well. And then let's look at the clutch. Somebody just messaged me to say, is the clutch all right? So to test a clutch on a car, especially a VW or any car that's larger than a 1.6, because they have a dual mass, so you let me just switch that off, right, so you can hear the engine. And what you do is dip your foot on the clutch pedal, see if you can hear any clattering. Yeah, absolutely nothing, no change in the tone, nothing. Have it halfway up, see if you can hear anything. Nope, nothing at all, just my squeaky shoes. So there's absolutely no change in sound whatsoever on that. And the clutch biting point is quite good. It's below halfway point, so that's good. Obviously, if the biting point to the clutch is really high, that means it's signs of the clutch wearing out, because there's not much meat on the clutch plate. So the clutch is good. Switch the engine off and pop the bonnet, which is the other side on the Seats. It's a bit strange because the VW Golfs are on the driver's side, and then the Seats for some reason are on the passenger side. So that's the release there. And the Golfs have got dampers, where these you've got to have a bonnet stay. Right, so it's the TDI engine, which is used on all the VW range. HPI clear, not involved in a insurance claim or accident through the insurance at all. All the nuts and bolts seem to be in place. There's nothing missing, nothing jumps out at us. All the clips. Like I say, no warning lights on the dashboard or anything like that. Okay, all appears nice and clean. Okay, we do offer part exchange, so if you've got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage, and we'll give you a quotation based on the live Auto Trader data. Also, we do provide finance. This vehicle could be financed up to 5 years. It's 64 reg. It's almost a 2015. Like I said, November 2014 registered this one, so it could be financed up to 5 years. And we also do nationwide delivery as well. And this one will come with 12 months warranty as well. So 12 months warranty with this one. So a full year warranty with a warranty company, which is going to be at a garage closest to your address. So you don't have to bring it all the way back here if you live far away. You can go to a VW, Audi, Seat specialist garage nearest to you. And it also comes with the... does it come with the... No, it doesn't. Sorry. I was thinking for the Prestige. This is a higher level cover. It's 100% cover as well, so it will cover 100% parts and labour in the event of sudden mechanical failure. Okay, So any more questions, please do not hesitate to ask us, and hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.